Are you facing challenges in table listings and figures? Why table listings and figures fail? What are their common mistakes? Let's explore their various challenges, impact, and their respective solution. Introduction. Creating tables, listings, and figures in clinical trials using SAS programming is a critical part of reporting study results. This process, while essential, comes with a set of challenges that require technical proficiency, attention to detail, and collaboration. Below are the key challenges encountered. Number 1. Understanding statistical analysis plan. Challenge. Table listings and figures are based on the SAP, which often contains complex and detailed instructions. Misinterpretation or ambiguity in the SAP can lead to incorrect outputs. Impact. Producing TLFs that do not align with the study objectives or regulatory requirements may necessitate rework. Solution. Collaborate closely with statisticians to clarify SAP requirements and ensure alignment between specifications and outputs. Number 2. Complex programming logic. Challenge. Creating TLFs often involve integrate SAS programming logic such as deriving variables, handling missing data, applying statistical tests, and generating customized outputs. Impact. Complex code increases the risk of programming errors, leading to incorrect or inconsistent results. Solution. Modularize the programming process, create reusable macros, and thoroughly test and validate code. Number 3. Data preparation and integration. Challenge. TLFs require clean, consistent, and analysis-ready datasets, for example, ADAM. Issues such as inconsistent formats, missing values, or unclean data from unstreamed processes can complicate programming. Impact. Significant time is spent debugging data-related issues instead of focusing on TLF creation. Solution. Conduct detailed data checks before starting TLF programming and ensure traceability from ADAM to SDTM and SDTM to ADAM. Number 4. Adherence to standards and specifications. Challenge. TLFs must comply with regulatory and sponsor-specific guidelines for layout, format, and content. Derivations or lack of uniformity can lead to non-compliance. Impact. Inconsistent outputs may fail regulatory review or require reformatting. Solution. Use standard templates and style guides for TLFs and validate outputs against specifications. Number 5. Handling iterative changes. Challenge. TLF requirements frequently change due to protocol amendments, SAP updates, or stakeholder feedback. Impact. Repeated updates can disrupt timelines and introduce errors into the programming logic. Solution. Implement robust version control and change management processes to track and incorporate changes efficiently. Number 6. Statistical and visual complexity. Challenge. Some TLFs, particularly figures, for example Kaplan-Meier plots, forest plots, involve complex statistical analysis and require advanced SAS procedures like PROG-LifeTest or PROG-SGplot. Impact. Incorrect coding of statistical methods can lead to invalid interpretations of study results. Solution. Collaborate with statisticians to validate statistical methods and outputs and leverage SAS graph or ODS for advanced visualizations. Number 7. Formatting and aesthetics. Challenge. Regulatory submissions often require TLFs to follow specific formats, for example, font size, page breaks, table alignment, which may not be straightforward to implement in SAS. Impact. Improper formatting can lead in rejection or request for resubmission. Solution. Use ODS output delivery system and PROG report, PROG template features in SAS to achieve precise formatting. Number 8. Validation and quality control. Challenge. TLFs must undergo rigorous validation to ensure accuracy and consistency with source data and specifications. This is time consuming and prone to oversight. Impact. Errors in validation can compromise the integrity of clinical trial results. Solution. Adopt double programming, independent review processes, and automated validation tools to minimize errors. Number 9. Timelines and resource constraints. Challenge. Tight deadlines and limited resources often pressure programmers to produce TLFs quickly, increasing the likelihood of mistakes. Impact. Delayed or incorrect TLFs can postpone study deliverables and submissions. Solution. Develop a detailed programming schedule, allocate sufficient resources, and use automation to enhance efficiency. Number 10. Integration across teams and systems. Challenge. TLF development requires seamless collaboration between programming, biostatistics, and data management teams. Miscommunication or siloed working can lead to delays and errors. Impact. Lack of alignment may result in TLFs that do not meet stakeholder expectations. Solution. Schedule regular cross-functional reviews and maintain transparent communication throughout the process. Number 11. Versioning and documentation. Challenge. Managing multiple versions of TLFs and ensuring thorough documentation of the programming process is essential but challenging. Impact. Poor documentation can hinder reproducibility and complicate audits of future updates. Solution. Use version control systems and maintain comprehensive documentation, including annotated outputs and programmer notes. Number 12. Regulatory and sponsor audits. Challenge. TLFs are subject to scrutiny during regulatory audits where any discrepancies or missing justifications can result in findings. Impact. Audit findings can delay approvals and damage the sponsor's credibility. Solution. Prepare audit-ready documentation and ensure traceability from raw data to final TLFs. Number 13. Learning curve for complex procedures. Challenge. SAS has advanced procedures and features like PROG SG panel or PROG report that may require a steep learning curve for new programmers. Impact. Inexperienced programmers may struggle to meet quality and efficiency expectations. Solution. Provide targeted training and mentorship to team members to enhance their SAS programming skills. Conclusion. By addressing these challenges with robust processes, effective communication and modern tools, SAS programmers can produce high-quality, audit-ready TLFs that meet both regulatory and scientific standards. Many thanks for watching my video and happy learning. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a feedback comment. Many thanks for your support and having great connection.